Good morning. My name is S Sakthi Saravanan, and this is my presentation for CSE 2013 Theory of Computation course on Digital Assignment 2. I would be presenting today on the topic of applications of regular expression. So, in today's presentation, I would be going through a small introduction on regular expression and what are the ways regular expressions are implemented, and and further explain on few common applications that exist in real world. So, to basically explain it in a formal definition, a regular expression is a string that consists of either concatenation or union of other regular expressions. Or in base, it consists of some a certain number of alphabet that belongs to another set of alphabets that is defined by a language or a requirement. Now, apart from a formal definition, to understand the meaning of regular expression, we need to know what its purpose is. So basically, a regular expression is something that is used to define a pattern or logically express an occurrence of an event. So let's say we need to logically express an occurrence of even number of ones in certain strings. So we would be able to use a regular expression to logically express them. Now, in this case, the latter is known as a language and the former is known as an expression. As you can see in the following examples, let's say 0 star 1 0 star, it is a pattern that follows certain rules to express a language that has a language or a certain number of strings that has only one alphabet. In this situation, the set of alphabets or sigma is 0, comma 1. That is usually defined based on the language that we require. So, based on this understanding, we will be able to know that a regular expression is a theoretical concept. In real world application, we need to know how it is used. That is, how it is connected to a programming language or a framework. Now, that is actually possible with the help of libraries and objects supported through various programming languages that are specifically high power. This is also supported by even databases or frameworks. They are often supported through different ways, such as a library or an object. So the purpose of library or object is that it would be able to provide various functions that a user needs while in application of or development of certain technology. Now we'll be going through what are the real world applications that can be utilized using a regular expression. Uh, Now we'll be seeing through web scraping. So web scraping is basically a technique or an idea of going through other websites code, HTML code, to understand or retrieve a certain kind of data. If I as a person would like to use cricket scores from a website to use it in my application, then I would be able to use web scraping to go through a specific website to get the data specifically what I need. There is an ethical side need to be considered for web scraping, since certain websites would not allow such details or data to be leaked. In this situation, regular expression can be used very importantly. That is, while going through HTML codes, if I am able to define what I need in a specific pattern, I would be easily able to retrieve all the data I need without any problems. And the second would be a process of lexical analysis. So a lexical analysis is something a compiler is dealt with. What it does is that it is able to convert an user written high level programming code into something a machine is able to understand. That is, it converts a programming code such as a Python or C++ or C code into a certain tokens. This tokens is something a machine would be easily able to understand and also would be able to check whether it is a correct code or not by sending into a syntax analyzer and taking it into a further. So this is done using implementation of a deterministic finite automata or DFA. And since the process of this conversion, lexical analysis works as a way to understand or scan a user's code. It is also widely known as scanner. And due to since we know that regular expression is specialized in searching, finding, or replacing certain things from a large amount of data, it is used in the part of lexical analysis in the searching process and replacing them. And the third application in real world is text editors. This is something we often overlook but use very much in real time is text editors. And in text editors, there are a lot of functionalities since it is in a complex application. One of some important application would be search, find, and replace. So basically, the part of regular expression in them is that uh, if I need to search a keyword, it converts it into a pattern that in whole text of a document, it would be able to search through the keywords I need. The speciality extends when I'm able to replace the keywords without going through one and one manually. These are some speciality of regular expression. This actually can be supported by lots of text editors, but something to note is that I can take this one further. By not providing a word, I can also provide a regular expression in that case. If I need to replace the backslash in date, I would be able to use something known as a regular expression to convert into, let's say, a dot. So I can also provide the text editor a regular expression directly instead of searching through keywords. So basically, these are some of a few examples of a regular application in our real world. And apart from them, there are various applications that is available. So that is it. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.